Have you ever wanted to learn geometry nodes, but you just didn't know where to start or you were too confused by them? Well, this course right here is perfect for you. We're going to be going over every single geometry node and all of their options. Not only that, we're going to see how to use them in a practical way, and along the way, we're going to be creating some really awesome projects. Now, who am I? My name is Alex Corbard, and for the last 13 or so years, I've been doing and teaching Blender to tens of thousands of people. I have over 50,000 students right here on Udemy and several bestsellers as well. Now we're going to start off simply by learning what geometry nodes are, how they work, and what they do. We'll learn all the fundamentals so that we have a good understanding from the beginning of the course. Then we're going to quickly build up our knowledge and understanding with each video introducing a new node and building on the last one. Not only will we learn all the nodes and their options, but also why and how they work. This course is project-based as well, meaning that every section we will create a new awesome project. In each section, we'll also be doing procedural materials and compositing so that we can bring our scenes to a finished project that we can be happy with. Again, we're going to learn every single geometry node, their options, and how to use them. Because of this, there are 3 ways you can do this course. Option number 1 is to do the course from start to finish. If you're new to geometry nodes or would like to learn every geometry node, this is the best option. Every video is laid out in a way where we learn a new node, all of its options, and how to use that particular node. So option number 1 is to just do the course from A to Z, and in this way you'll get the most value. For options 2 and 3, I recommend knowing a little bit about geometry nodes first. If you're not familiar with geometry nodes at all, it's best to go with option number 1 or do the first couple of sections of the course so that you understand the basics of geometry nodes before going for option 2 or 3. But the second option is to skip to any project or section and do just that section. As you can see, every section starts a brand new project. So if you want, you could skip to a section and do just that project and learn just those nodes that are part of that project. The third option is if you want to learn or go over a particular node, you can go to just that video and learn about just that node or refresh your memory on just that node. For example, if we wanted to go and learn about the cylinder node or the points to vertices node, we could go to just that video and learn that particular node. Or if we wanted to go ahead and learn the face is planar node or the face neighbors node, etc. Now again, for options 2 and 3, I recommend having some knowledge of geometry nodes. So again, watch the first couple of sections of the course before going to options 2 or 3. Or what I recommend is doing option number 1 and doing the course from start to finish, as you'll get the most value. Now this course is over 40 hours long with over 220 videos, and we'll go over everything geometry nodes related. By the end of the course, we will take everything we've learned and create an awesome final project by creating a desert style house. Along the way, as we learn every geometry node, we'll create some awesome projects and learn to create things such as buildings, houses, grass, clouds, trees, lightning, a donut, a sci-fi corridor, a Candyland scene, dragons, and much, much more. With this course, you'll finally be able to learn geometry nodes in a practical way from A to Z. By the end of the course, not only will we have learned every geometry node and all of their options, but you'll have created several awesome projects that you can be proud of. You'll then be able to create anything you want with geometry nodes. So with that, if you've ever wanted to learn geometry nodes, click the button, get the course, and let's learn about geometry nodes. I'll see you there. Ciao for now. Au revoir.